Hello everyone, and today in this video I am going to talk about Redmi 9 active MIUI 13 update. Okay, so I want to apologize that since my YouTube channel doesn't have my YouTube channel doesn't contain videos more than 3 months, so I didn't upload any videos since 3 months. 3 months is already over now, so yeah, I really apologize for that. And today in this video I'm going to talk about Redmi 9 active. So this is the smartphone, uh, Redmi 9 active. Okay, and currently it is running MIUI 12.5.6.0, Android 11 update. But Xiaomi did not release any kind of security updates or anything. So if I click on check for updates, it says no update available. But why? Why Xiaomi is not releasing any updates? Because Xiaomi is focusing on high-end devices, flagship devices. So Xiaomi India is not releasing updates for low-end devices like Redmi 9 Active. So many users are questioning me, commenting me that will Redmi 9 Active get MIUI 13 update with Android 11? Will Xiaomi release that update or will not? So I'm going to talk today. So in my last video, last second video, I have told you that Redmi 8, 8A and 8A dual will be EOS. EOS means end of support. End of support means Xiaomi India will not, uh, will not release updates, will not do anything. Okay, so Xiaomi India will not give support to Redmi 8, Redmi 8A and Redmi 8A dual. So then what will happen? Okay, so Redmi 9 active is not in EOS, it is current, it is still in support. So my question, so everyone are asking me that will Redmi 9 active get MIUI 13 update or not? Chances are 50-50, guys, because Xiaomi, I have contacted Xiaomi feedback in offline and online centers. They told they told that Redmi 9 active will definitely get MIUI 13 on August 2023. Mark my words, Redmi 9 active will get MIUI 13 update in August 2023. So Xiaomi has claimed that Redmi 9 active will get a new update MIUI 13 in August 2023. Okay, so but Xiaomi told this is not confirmed because Xiaomi says that Redmi 9 active has a very low end processor, Media Heliotech G35, and this phone is very low end, so it cannot able to handle big OS updates. So Xiaomi only has released Android 11, not Android 12, and MIUI 13 contains a lot of your security features, but that processor will become very slower. So that's why Xiaomi will decide first. Okay, Xiaomi will test the OS. To test the OS, minimum 10 to 12 months, 8 to 12, 10 months. We need to test the operating system. So Xiaomi is currently the MIUI 13 for Redmi 9 active is in testing stage. After testing stage, whoever has applied to the beta testing program first before 1 year, they will get first MIUI 13 update on their OTA app. If you don't get OTA app, you can install it manually. Simply go and download the zip file and choose update package, that method, or else you can unlock your bootloader and flash the ROM. Okay, so there are three methods, and yeah, so I'm going to tell you once again, Redmi 9 active will get MIUI 13 update in August 2023. Okay, so this is the final conclusion of this video, and starting from today I am going to upload regular videos of MIUI, Windows and many more technological and tech videos. So please support us, and once we hit 1000 subscribers, I am going to upload daily. Okay, so please guys, hit that like button, share to someone else who has Redmi 9 active, and they will also have doubt, no, will I get Redmi 9, will I get update or not. So like the video, share it to someone else, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss a single video which is uploaded on our YouTube channel. So yeah, from today onwards I'm going to upload regular videos. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.